life this week. What's wrong with him? It's like sleep regression at 4. Is that a thing? How do you wear this thing? Good morning, you guys, and welcome back for another vlog. Oh my gosh, y'all. So I did not put the vlog up on the 16th. That one's gonna go up today, or was it the 17th? Y'all, I don't know what day we're on. I have no clue where we're at in life right now. I am about to do my hair. I am doing a treatment on my hair. I would do a mask on my face as well. I'm going to steam my hair because I'm going to straighten it. I kept trying to catch y'all up, and when I tell y'all this week just Cole and I were so busy. My mom was out of town a lot this week. So I was like fighting for my life this week. And he had the worst sleep ever this week. Like, even my mom came, she stayed Thursday night with us. And I was like, bet I could get something done, y'all. And I tell y'all, I crashed. And the next morning she was like, I got the worst sleep ever. What is wrong with him? He was up and down all night. I was like, I don't know what is going on with him. It's like sleep regression at 4. Is that a thing? Anyhow, so we got him all settled last night, and she came over kind of late after she got back in town, and she was like, well, let me take him with me and you do what you need to do. And I'm like, I need to sleep. That's what I need to do. So I slept in, y'all. Slept in till like 6. Got me a cup of coffee, hopped in the shower. My hair is washed. So I'm about to just do a treatment now. I don't want to straighten my hair, but I need to because I'm a little over my hair right now. I tell y'all, when it gets to a certain length, a certain state, the ends start getting dry. I start to feel it. And so I revert to straightening it, which I hate because I really do love my curls, but my curls be fighting back, y'all. My curls fight back. And I tend to straighten it when I feel like I'm not looking my best. And I'm like, well, I look better with straight hair. And I hate that mindset because I look different. I don't look better. You know what I mean? So I try to fight that. But in order to have an easy weekend, an easy day, I'm just going to have to straighten it so that I at least can make it through, because my hair is half my battle. Not going to lie, my hair is half my battle. And it's really dry. So I'm actually going to use the steamer while I apply the mask. I'm just using, oh, this is almost gone. This thing lasted me so long. The TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. Absolutely love it. I got my little steamer right here. I already put water in it. So I just gotta wait for it to heat up. But yeah, y'all, so I am getting ready to go to the concert low key. By Wednesday, I told my mom, I was like, I think I'm gonna sell my tickets. And she was like, no, you need to go. Like, she is pushing me to go and get out and do things. And I love that. But also I'm tired. And I know I need to go, and I couldn't sell the tickets. So I'm going because I refuse to waste money. But if I had my own way, I would be home this weekend. But the thing about being home is I would still have to do things. I would still be cleaning the house. I would still be doing work. I would still, have to do all my mom duties. So I'm like, you know what, just go out of town. Cole's staying here. He's going to have a little boys' day because we're going up, but we're coming right back. Like, we're just going to push through and come back because I do actually want to be home on Sunday. So, yeah. I also don't have anything to wear. I'm refusing to buy clothes. I did go to Marshall's and look and try to get something. I found these I guess they're joggers, and I was like, let me see if I can dress this up. Y'all, it's still in the car. So I don't know what I'm wearing. I don't really want to buy clothes, but most of the stuff in my closet is either for work or church, and other stuff just it does not fit. So what do? You gotta buy something. So I'm trying my hardest to shop my closet. So I actually don't have a plan on what I'm wearing today, which is another reason why I didn't want to go, because I did not want the stress of being like, I need to find something to wear. And part of me is like, I really don't care what I look like. And that's not true. I care. It's a defense mechanism because I don't want to style my body. Point blank period. And I don't want to shop at all. The shopping I did, y'all saw, was for work clothes at the beginning of the year, and that was it. And I've been wearing those same little outfits over and over again. So, yeah. I don't want to go to the concert, but I'm forcing myself to go. I'm going to take my book, and me and my mom are going to take turns driving. That way I can relax. My ends, y'all, are so dry. And they feel so much better doing this. If you have never steamed your hair and you think you need a fancy steamer, sis, you don't. If you have a facial, use that. And the vlog that went up before this one, I did finally put something out on the porch. Cole was supposed to be helping me, y'all, and he ditched me. He is the main one who asked to put the stuff on the porch and then ditched me to ride his bike, play in water. So, y'all, I did the bare minimum. I'm like, there, pumpkins are out, let's go. Like, I was out there more to clean the porch off, spray for bugs, because we've been having like an influx of spiders and moths and all kind of nastiness. So I just sprayed for bugs, swept around, put the little bit out there that I felt like putting out there, and girl, I moved on with my life. I was like, whatever, he don't care, I don't care. I might come back Sunday and like do a reset of the house and put some stuff out. I also need to open the Amazon packages. I did participate in Amazon Prime Day, but I did not go overboard. It was legit like stuff we needed for the house. Like, one of the things in the boxes is like new pillows. We needed pillows for the bed. All right, I'm gonna stop yapping because I've been talking for a long time and get my hair done. My makeup is done for the most part. I'm gonna pack some stuff to take with me. My hair is done. However, check the weather. It's gonna rain. So I'm gonna add like a little bit of curl and then I'm going to wrap my hair. But y'all, look. Look, look, look. It has grown back so much, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It has grown so much and it feels so good. That steam treatment was so necessary, and I can tell I hadn't done it in a while because my hair was feeling so dry, so brittle, and like normally when that happens and I straighten my hair, it does not come out good, but it feels so good. And I did one pass only. And yeah, y'all, it has grown so much from when I cut it. If I can find a clip from when I first cut it and then I straightened it again, I will find it for y'all. But it was short. And I just got a trim in August. My grandma's birthday, August. I just got a trim in August, like a dusting trim, not like a cut. But I did cut it Mother's Day, y'all. And look at this. Yes. I love that we are getting back to healthy hair and it's growing out because I've really been feeling some kind of way about my hair. Not gonna lie. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to get dressed. My mom should be here soon. It's almost noon. I didn't want to leave too early because I knew I was gonna do the majority of my getting ready here. I do have a bag packed. I have my clothes ironed. I probably will end this vlog and catch up with y'all once we're actually in Dallas, because that is a 4-hour road trip. So I can actually get this vlog edited on the road and up today, and then I'll catch y'all back up tomorrow. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm just randomly putting some curls in my hair so that when I wrap it and then put it back down, it'll have some body. And I'm wrapping it because 1, I'm already sweating. 2, if I do get caught in the rain, it won't poof out. I will link the products that I use. I have not really been straightening my hair a whole lot, and so the products that I use don't really change, but I did have to use what I have because, as you'll know, we're using up everything in our stash. So I don't have I used to like Joico a lot, or, you know, different brands where it would get my hair like squeaky clean for a press. And now I kind of just use whatever. So today I used the Fenty moisturizing shampoo because that was what was in the shower. And then you saw I deep conditioned with the Honey Miracle mask and did a steam treatment. I would highly suggest the steam treatment. And then I did, I think I showed it on the screen, but I always go in with the anti-snap leave-in, and I did that. And then these grays, we're gonna color this hair. That's what we gonna do. We're gonna color this hair, because what we're not about to do is be having these grays be doing us like this. These grays are ridiculous. Look at this, just popping out everywhere. I do not want to be salt and pepper yet. Anti-snap, and then I do the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. Like, I've been using those 2 products for years. It never changes because it just really gets my hair soft and prepped for the blow dry and the flat iron. And then I did the flat iron spray. That Tresemme, I don't think they have that anymore. I really like it, but I don't think they have that anymore. And then this time, my hair was feeling a little dry when I did this side. So I went in with this Shea Moisture Bonding Oil. It's a lightweight strengthening oil. It moisturizes, 24-hour frizz control, and heat protection. And it gave my hair so much sheen and life. And so normally I don't put like an oil on my hair when I straighten it because I want it to last. But my hair was feeling a little bit dry. Like, I didn't put a whole lot of leave-in, so it needed something. All right. See, that's what we're going for. Not like a full-on, you know. We'll figure something out. I don't know. My natural hair, I think I've talked about this before, but when it gets to a certain state, a certain length, it gets a little bit harder to manage because it's in this weird in-between phase. And then I am not buying any products right now, and so the products that I would typically use, I don't have. And I think I'm going to do like a clean out and see really what I have left to use up. I think it's mostly deep conditioners, and I might like restock my leave-ins and my stylers with stuff I actually like, and then I might be able to rock my hair curly. And honestly, I might just go back and forth because I am not that natural that is afraid to straighten her hair, but I'm also not a straight hair natural. Like, I don't think I could rock straight hair all the time because the way I've been sweating here lately, and I'm trying to work out, like, my hair would be a frizzy mess. A frizzy hot mess. All right, I bought a new wrap a few months back. Let me see, because I haven't had to use it. Y'all can clearly see I do not know what I'm doing with this. Do you like go like this? How do you wear this thing? I don't know what I'm doing. This is as good as it's gonna get. Put some earrings on and call it a day.